Hello friends, welcome back. I hope you might be feeling by now a good understanding of the Ruby language and practicing along. Make sure that you practice. Watching this course alone will not help you much. You need to write, get your hands dirty. Then only you will have a solid grasp of the language. Moving ahead, today we will cover objects and classes in Ruby. Ruby is an object-oriented language and we all very well know that by now. But what actually is an object? In real world, we are all surrounded by objects, whether it be a car, a bike, a truck, and even animals are also objects like cats, dogs, including us, the humans. But how do we relate the objects from real world to the programming world? Let's start with the example of a car. Car is a vehicle, so it belongs to the vehicle class. A car has some color, it has a state of running or being stopped. It can have automatic or manual transmission system and so on. These all are attributes of the car. In programming, we denote these by variables. An object in Ruby is itself a class. A class is defined with a class keyword in Ruby and the definition concludes with an end statement. Let's say we want to create a class by the name car, or let's say we want to create a class car. Classes in Ruby are defined by the class keyword, and we shall write the name of our class and the class definition ends here. So now our class car is ready and we can have objects having a class car. Let's create a car, let's say it is my car, and assign it the class of car that we have just created. We'll do that by saying car dot new. The new keyword here tells Ruby that the myCar object is of the class car. Now let's say I have another object which is your car, and it again belongs to the same class. Now let's say my car color is red and your car color is white. How do I tell Ruby that these two cars are of different colors? Here comes the variables, or you can better say instance variables. Whenever we create a new object from any class, a method by the name initialize is run. But in our class car, we haven't initialized or we haven't defined any such kind of function. So we'll do that now. We'll say def initialize, and here our function ends. Inside this function, what we'll do, we'll define the color of our car and assign it to what is being passed during the declaration of a particular object and supply it color. Now from where this color is going to come? This color we are going to declare here. Let's say the color is red, and what is your color? Let's say it's blue. To the initialize method, we'll pass in the parameter color. So here we are. Our program is correct till now. Now if I want to know what is the color of your car, I'll simply write your car dot color, and I'll say something like this. And now running this, here we have an error saying that we have an undefined method color. So why is it saying that it's undefined? Now this is because the color variable here is local to the initialize method, or you can say something like it's a private variable. It won't show himself if you ask it from outside like this. To make it accessible, we have to declare it as an accessible, we have to define it as an accessible property, and we do it in this way. We declare it as an accessible property by saying attr accessor color. Now if I run this, it will give me blue, which is your car's color. And if I ask my car's color, it will say it's red. So we are successful till now. What next? Now let's say you want to change the color of your car. In that case, you shall write your car dot color is equal to, let's say this time you want to have a black color car, and running this, it's okay. Now if I ask the color of my car, it will say it's black. So we have correctly set the color of our car. What next? Now here there is a twist. In case, let's say, you don't want somebody to change the color of your car, in that case you need only the readable properties, or you can say a read-only property on the color. What can we do in that case? For that, here we'll remove accessor to reader, and now if I run this program, I have an error, and if I comment this out, we are okay. That means Ruby is not allowing you to set the color of the car. And let's say you only want somebody to only write, not read the value. Somebody can't read the value, it's only a writable value. In that case, we say writer. And now if you uncomment this and comment these lines, we are okay, and our program is correct. So this was about the variables, or you can say attributes, in Ruby. Now the next thing in objects are methods. Methods are the way an object interacts with other objects. Or you can say it in this way. Since Ruby is a pure object-oriented language, which means that everything is an object, one object wants to interact with another object, and it's being done with the help of methods. Methods make objects working. They are the verbs of the object. For this, I will take a method by the name start, as a car can start, and another method stop. Here I will say I am start, and here stopping now. Now if I remove these statements and run my car dot start, here we are. So we have successfully run a method of the object my car. Similarly, I can say your car dot stop, and it says stopping now. So this was about objects and methods in Ruby. In the next chapter, we will learn about inheritance in Ruby. Till then, keep practicing and goodbye.